You've done it before. Late at night, you open the app, you scroll through homes you can almost picture yourself in, the kitchen, the light in the front room, a door you'd actually call yours, and then the feeling creeps in, not excitement, overwhelm, because somewhere between the photos and the front step, there's a process nobody really explained to you. Contracts, inspections, a word like escrow. Here's the part that changes everything. Buying a home isn't one giant leap. It's a series of small, ordered steps. In the house itself, that's not the first step, it's almost the last. Let's walk through it calmly from the beginning. It starts with a number. Before you look at a single home, a lender looks at you. They check your credit, they weigh how much you earn against what you already owe, and they tell you how much they're willing to lend. This is called getting pre-approved. Two things matter here. The first is that this number is your ceiling, not your target. Just because you can borrow it doesn't mean you should. The second is simpler. With a pre-approval in hand, you stop being a dreamer and start being a buyer that sellers take seriously. Now, the down payment, you probably heard you need 20%. For most people, that's a myth. Many loans let you put down far less, as little as 3 to 3.5%. Depending on the loan, there is a trade. When you put down less than 20%, you usually pay something called PMI, a small monthly insurance that protects the lender, not you. The good news, it isn't forever. As you pay the loan down and build equity, it falls away. With your number set, the search begins, and the secret here is to separate your wants from your needs. The big yard is a want. Getting to work without losing an hour of your life is a need. A good agent helps you tell the two apart and opens doors, sometimes literally, that you couldn't on your own. Then one day, a home fits, so you make an offer. To show you're serious, you include a deposit called earnest money. Think of it as a promise with weight behind it. You also include conditions called contingencies that protect you. The most important ones come next. The offer is accepted. You're now under contract. This is where two quiet guardians show up. The first is the inspection. A professional walks the home and tells you what the photos didn't, the roof, the wiring, the things hiding behind fresh paint. This is your escape hatch. If something's wrong, you can renegotiate or walk away. The second is the appraisal. The lender sends their own expert to answer one question. Is this home actually worth what you agreed to pay? It keeps everyone honest, including you. Then comes the quietest part and the hardest to sit through, underwriting. The lender checks everything twice. It can feel like silence. Resist the urge to fill it. Don't open a new credit card. Don't buy a car. Don't change jobs if you can help it. Keep your money boring until the keys are in your hand. And then finally, closing. You'll sign your name more times than you knew was possible. You'll pay your closing costs, which usually run 2 to 5% of the price, the fees that make the whole thing official. And at the end of it, someone hands you a key. Here's the thing to remember. The home is just walls and light and a door. What you actually built, step by careful step, was a series of calm decisions made under pressure. You didn't leap, you walked. And that's how almost everyone who owns a home got there. One small, ordered step at a time.